How's it going, guys? It's Going Off Grid. Just giving you a little overview here of my house. Got a new couch, so we got all kinds of cardboard to get rid of. Hopefully it's not too windy for you guys. And got 8 more panels hooked up. Got these hooked up to my second Midnite 250. The one on the end super dirty. I gotta clean that one. But right now these are pumping out 1770 watts, a little bit more maybe. Now that the sun's had a better angle to it, the sun is right overhead. And just give you a little overview here. There's my other panels over there. Yeah, this is the biggest mod here that I've done in a little while. It's the ridiculous amount, well, not ridiculous amount, this is 2100 I think watts of panels. They're all screwed directly to my roof. I still got to waterproof that. I do not have any good quality silicone here. And some people might be wondering, why don't I more permanently install these? Well, I don't know how long I'm going to live here. I could be here for 5 more years, I could be here for 10 more years, I don't know. So I'm installing these according. Yeah, I got them angled all kinds of different directions just because my house is built in a ridiculous manner. Like the roof should be facing the other way, but so I can't do anything with it really. So these panels get the east sun. These get east sun as well, but these are more for cloudy days and whatnot, because I really don't need all my panels being direct sunlight. If I did, I would be over paneling my controllers. These panels get the southwest sun. Those panels get the south sun, and then all those get mostly west sun. They'll get a bit of southern sun, but not too much. Maybe 25% south and 75% west facing. And yes, that's all I want to show you out here. Let's go inside and see what we're producing. Alright, into the power room we go. So this one earlier was producing 4,000 watts, and we're down to 2,400, and that is because it's around 4 o'clock, maybe a little after 4. So this one, some of the panels, like this one has a lot of south-facing panels, and that's why it is producing so much less. This has a lot of south-facing panels, but has some west-facing panels as well. So this one's still producing a decent amount. This one was doing 3,500 watts peak earlier. When these two both do their maximum, I get about, what do I get? 6,500 watts. Quite often 7,000 watts, rarely. Sometimes you'll see 7,000 watts between those two. The one in the middle is a wind controller. I do not have that hooked up to anything right now. And now, on this side, I put this charge controller here. It is the Midnite 250. We're doing 1,730 watts. And that is because the batteries on this side, including these ones especially, they lag behind in voltage a little bit because they have the longest run of wires from those charge controllers over there. The bank over there is much closer. So what I did was I put another charge controller on this side, and I hooked it to the main positive, main negative on this side, so that these will all be getting charged now through this one. So let's see how close we are now. We got 62.6 volts on this charge controller. What do we got on these? 62.5. Look at that. See? We used to be a volt difference between this side and that side. Almost a volt difference. And now we're pretty close, man. We're looking pretty good. Let's see here. We got, it's the first reliable I ever had. Well, let's open this door. Okay, what do we got coming in here? 1,000 watts going into just these alone. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's turn it back off. Wrong button. There we go. This baby still works. That's just there for, I don't know, backup or whatever I really want. to run extra stuff in this room. Sometimes if they want to run, like in the wintertime, if they want to run a heater. Sometimes like if the fridge is running stuff, you can't run a heater, run the fridge at the same time or whatever, right? So that's just an extra plug, really, separate from any other inverter in the house. We have a window air conditioner in here, just keeping it fairly cool so nothing overheats. We got the 8,000 watt reliable electric inverter, just putzing along nicely. It's running all the ACs. It's running 12,000 BTU, 5,000 BTU, everything in my living room. Yeah, that runs all the plugs in the living room, including the projector, the computers, and all that stuff. And then these big guys, they run the rest of the house. So this takes about 3,000 watts of load, continuous load, when the ACs are all on, off of these magnesigns. So these magnesigns can run everything else in the house, including charging the car. So the way I have it set up is, these actually charge the car. This runs all the ACs. So I like that setup. It just worked out really nicely. And if I needed more power, I still got that 3,000 watt reliable over there, or you could even hook up the old 8,000 watt. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Everything's putzing along nicely, making a decent amount of power for this time of the day. See you guys later.